In this video, you will learn how to restore files or folders from the VM Backup Restore point with Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Vinchin supports granular restore of Windows and Linux VMs from any full, incremental and differential backups. Users can browse the file system of the VM from within Vinchin Backup and Recovery Web UI, and can download the desired files for restore. First, let's open a browser and log in Vinchin Backup Server Web Console. Go to VM Backup Granular Restore page. Step 1. Select a restore point. In the list, you can see all the available restore points. Just select the Hyper-V restore point you want to restore, input a name for the job, and click OK. You will be redirected to Monitor Center Jobs page then. Step 2. Running the Granular Restore job. Select the Granular Restore job and then click Options Start Job. After Start the Granular Restore job, the job status will turn into Preparing. The preparing process will take a few seconds, then it will turn into Running. Step 3. Select the files or folders you need within the restore point. Click the job name and then you can view the job details. On the right, the Granular Restore file list has been already prepared. You can also organize the file list by system directories, physical disks. After you choose the target folder or file in the list, just click the download button and then it will be downloaded to local machine. If you download a file, it will be saved in its original format. And if you download folder, it will be saved as a compressed file, so you need to unzip it later, after you get all the files you need from the backup. Remember to stop the job because it is using resources in the system. Simply click Options and then click Stop. If the job is no longer needed, you can click Options and then click Delete. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.